Jpac apịara m nwee apịago m. The chats, the communication we made asaba. Apịago m ya. Akụna call Jpac iwu she told me everything. Ya wo Chinaza. Chinaza is her name. You can't hide anything. I Patridon apịana m your wife. The evidence, I have everything. Both the hotel, togetherness and everything. But the truth be told, I started my body naked because she was too obvious and observant. Jpac public appeal me your wife hands down. You know, feet. I'm going to hear me to that woman. If you need the videos, the video call, send me message, give me.
You know, I always tell you guys that I have evidence. And I have a long way to go in this particular issue between me and the Jpac, and that's a shower one. It's good if you are shower, you own up to it and say that you are shower. You cannot be a shower and pretending to bring mouth like people like us that are responsible. Now, I would like you to watch this video. People in there Jpac, they are coming out with evidence, so you know be talk with evidence. I told you guys, Nayane made this lady club. You have to pay her. All the days of her life is prostitution. I would like you to watch this video and also watch this video, the other one, to the end. When Jpac were original upon that lied to Jpac now when I call on Abuja. Where did Jpac met this shower on Apowani? Jpac went to club. Jpac was tipsy. Couples with 3 persons in my J club. They said the very day, na young one Jpac you just like a pants. The shape and the mark of all. Then this lady was waiting for a customer that's already paid on her behalf. Jpac asked, what are you doing here? Where are you from? She started talking. And from there, Jpac asked, so why are you doing this? You know how they plump them out? I am a big shot. Do you know me? I am from Mokbo. This person is my brother. Babyok is my brother. What is it? I have a lot of contracts. I signed with the Jpac blah blah. The girl, because of she's a money monger, a shower. She accepted the offer, and Jpac had to pay. Had to refund the other guy you picked here in that day. Jpac brought the girl. To our greatest surprise, people who know the day up pick this girl in a club. Ashia, is it not this babe you picked from club? Or intention this girl. If I am lying, majority of the videos this girl over na TikTok, I'm gonna attach it here. But Jpac told their shower to start deleting it. You know my anger because Jpac is lying and the idiot the way they got to come and respond. I'm a bogage. I will get. Maybe you didn't know. I give me more manner that nothing but a cheaper corner. Okay? Nothing but a. In the worst part of it, one and digging. Digging will collect baby oil. You also collect ash ammo. That's the worst part of it. You want to go? So I will open people's eyes with evidence. I am coming for more. Guys, if you come across this video, share it. It's very, very important. We come with facts and evidence. Jpac, when are we going to check Ikegi? When is that your Ike is going to